Hey guys, have your leather boots become scuffed up, cracked, and dry? If so, you're not alone. Most people who own leather don't even realize that it needs to be cleaned and conditioned regularly. Stick around to learn how easily you can keep your leather looking like new, flexible, and long-lasting. And if your boots look anything like these, you're in the right place. Let's get to it. To set up, let's remove the laces as well as any dust, dirt, or debris by brushing or wiping down the leather with a horsehair brush or microfiber cloth. Step 1, go ahead and take your favorite leather cleaner. I'll leave my suggestions in the description below. We'll remove any microparticles, dirt, or other caked on substances that didn't come off with the first pass. And as you guys can already see, the cleaner is resetting some of those surface scuffs on the leather. This is a great way to maintain the smooth finish, but there's more to it than just that. Step 2, conditioning. One of the best ways to remove scuffs from your genuine leather is by warming up the natural oils within the leather and massaging them throughout it. You can use a hairdryer, heat gun, or you can also set them in the sun for 10 to 15 minutes. But keep in mind, we don't want to burn our leather, so never overheat your leather, only warm it. Prolonged exposure to high heat will permanently damage your leather, so just keep that in mind. Now that the leather is all warmed up, let's go ahead and apply our conditioner. Once again, I'll leave links to my favorite conditioners below. Now the reason we warmed up the leather to begin with was to open up the pores so that our conditioner can more easily apply onto the leather. This allows us to deeply hydrate it rather than just applying it shallowly. Apply an even and appropriate amount for your leather. Most conditioners will darken your leather, which means that the more you use, the darker your leather will become. Just keep that in mind. Though conditioners like Bic 4, which I highly recommend, will not darken your leather. Feel free to warm it up once again to ensure that your conditioner is penetrating your leather. Last but not least, we have conservation. If you hate those creases that build up over time on your leather, this is one of the biggest ways to prevent them. Simply add stuffing or shoe trees into your leather footwear after each use to ensure that it maintains its form and prevents those creases to begin with. And if you want to check out how to remove those creases entirely, check out this video above. Also, feel free to heat seal any of those loose threads with a flame to ensure that they won't come undone. We'll lace our boots back up and give it a quick shine with our horsehair brush. As always, remember that it's about friction, not force. You can potentially ruin your leather and your brush by pushing too hard. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that this video provided you the skills and tools needed to care for your dry leather. As always, remember to hit that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my content. Dry leather is one thing, but like I said earlier, how can we deal with those leather creases? Watch this video next, and I'll see you guys there. Remember to love your leather.